It is day 6 of training Rose air touches spine. I've got the cooler lunge on and a lunge line attached to his halter. I have shortened the side reins about another 2 centimeters. Good boy. Just to start getting working in a little bit more of a consistent contact. However, because the clip attached to the halter is slides on the side rein, he is free to get his head up and down as much as he wishes. Good boy. My fault for adjusting my ear pod. So it's actually quite windy today. So and chilly, so it can possibly be a little bit distracting, but we have to show in all conditions. And today is the day that I'm feeling human, so today is the day we work. So if I can just get some quiet, good boy, sensible walking and treading out of it today on the lunge, I'm going to be really happy. Good boy, there's lots of little sneezers. I want him to stay out on the lunge around me and stay a little bit stiller to begin with and just move him around me. And he's walking, which is excellent. Good boy. Ready? Good boy. I assume my earpod is picking up the little sneezes that he's doing, which means he's breathing and he's relaxed. Good boy. He's also considering rolling, which is a regular occurrence, which is not happening. Come on. Twitch. 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 Good boy. I'll get up with you. I'm completely non-reactive to the cracking of the whip, which is fine. Go on, you cheeky little menace. Come on with you. Good boy. Good on. Good boy. No. Great. I've created a monster that comes into pets. Come on. Go on, off you go. Good boy. Go on. Whoop. Go on. Go on, you cheeky little thing. So I don't mind that he's doing this. He's not pulling on me. He's not towing me around the arena. Can you imagine if he does this in the show ring on a show lead? Oh, cheeky. He will be towing me around the arena, so we need to sort out this behaviour now. Go on, cheeky. So I'm trying to get him on a slightly larger circle around me. And I need to be able to serve him in a competition. Oh, goodness me! Go on, you tiny little merchant. Go on. Go on. Come on. I honestly think he's just a little bit chilly. Quick. Come on. Good boy. So quite a nice rhythm when he's got doing airs above the ground. Come on. Switch on. Switch on. I'm just trying to keep him in that triangle. Stop it. Wanting to be on that right shoulder. So I am just moving him until he gets off the right shoulder. Then good boy. Challenge is not having him. Charge off. Woo. 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 Like a little raging lunatic. Woo. 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 She actually gets quite a bit of walk. I think if I had flipped off of her. So my goal is not to work on the calves today. Good boy. Who just My big goal is to get some decent amount of walk and some calm. Good boy. And to get him listening to me more. Obviously with each training session, I'm looking for him to pay more attention to me, to my body language, and to my age. And not have him charging off like a little raging lunatic. It's not good for his legs. It's not how I want him to go in the future when he's on saddle. So that's not how I want him to go now. And I want him to listen to me all the time, not 50% of the time, 40% of the time. Good boy. Good boy. So I want to be able to move around with him and move him around me. Good boy. Yeah, just starting to lick his lip. Okay, another sign of relaxation. Starting to stretch down. Good boy. And he's not trying to duck in on that inside shoulder and come into me. He's actually showing signs of relaxation and just around. So horse training is not all glamorous. It's not always perfect. They're going to make mistakes. That's how they learn. That's how we learn. Whereas they're making mistakes. Ah, woo! I fucking swear to God, mate. I just asked you to stop, and it's like somebody put a fucking fire under your tail. No, mate. Woo. Woo. You totally misread that. Yes, you did. Woo. 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 Lucky you're cute. Alright, so now he comes in. What I wanted you to do 2 minutes ago, Lily. Alright, so that's it for our training session today. Good boy. Man, that's better. This is session number 6, where Rose Air touches thighs in the cooler lunge. Mildly frustrating. Mate, I don't beat you. Now stop it. He doesn't always listen. But, as I said, that's training. This is session number 6. The horse is going forward around me. It's the fundamentals of what I want. Yes, I'd like him to be working around a deeper frame. I'm not going to force him into that frame. He has to find the position of most comfort. As I said, I've tightened the side reins another couple of centimetres. I'm going to take them off. Ah, stop it. Little. Calm. So that is it for us. Thank you for watching. Found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Come, Lily.